Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to edit existing website on GoDaddy. Alright, so let's begin with the video. First off, you'll want to navigate to the GoDaddy website. Upon successfully logging in, your next action is to navigate to your account settings. This can easily be done by locating your profile photo. Clicking on your profile photo will reveal a drop-down menu with several options. From this menu, select My Products. Here, you can manage everything from domain names to hosting plans, but since we're focused on editing your website, you'll want to look for the Websites plus Marketing section. Once you find Websites plus Marketing on your product list, you will see an option next to it labeled Manage. Clicking Manage will lead you directly into the back end of your GoDaddy website editor. After clicking Manage, look for the Edit Website option. This is your gateway into editing mode where you can add, remove, or modify the content and design elements of your site. Clicking Edit Website essentially puts you in the driver's seat, allowing you to execute real-time changes to your site. Once you're in editing mode, feel free to explore the various editing tools available. GoDaddy's website builder is designed for users of all skill levels. Whether you're tech-savvy or new to website editing, you can update text, change images, modify the layout, and much more, all with intuitive drag-and-drop functionality. And that's it. So that's how you can edit existing website on GoDaddy. So that's all for this video. Thanks.